Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Shariel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing these Coi Leray, I think that's how you say her name, inspired braids, but they're going to be longer. I left like more hair out because when I curl it with the rods, I want it to be like a longer curl, if that makes any sense. Like hers was like shorter and then like a little curl at the end. I wanted mine longer. So I just did the back just to get that out of the way, but my parting is not the best parting because I didn't have any help and I did it by myself with a mirror. So I'm going to show you it. So I mean, it's not the worst from what I've seen in the mirror, but I definitely could have did better, obviously, if I had help or if I like seen what I was doing like on a TV or something like that. But I don't have like an Apple TV or something I can mirror to just put it there. So yeah, I just had to do what I could do, but it's not too bad. I mean, some of it looks even, some of it doesn't, but whatever. So I just left the top. So I think this is a total of, what is it, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So a total of 12 braids, and like a little kid right here. So I feel like this part needs to be fixed. I don't think it's in the middle, but we'll deal with that after. So I have 2 parts up here, 1, 2, 1 part on this side, 1 part on this side, and then 3 and 3. All right, so I'm just gonna start with this side first. I only bought 3 packs of this. It's the Clean Therapy, wait, what is it? It's the Freetress Clean Therapy pre-rinse and cleanse in vinegar wash. So it doesn't like make your hair, your scalp itch or anything. And it's very soft, it's nice. I like this braiding hair, and I don't like using really any of the other ones because they get so tangly and then they feel rough after a while, whatever. So this just, it's nice, it's very nice. Yeah, so there's 3 of these, and I already used 1 pack, and I have this much hair left in that pack, so I think 2 packs will be perfectly fine. And then I'm using my Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. This is the best Shine and Jam I've ever used, the best hold I've ever used. It's just, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm just putting rubber bands at the ends when I'm done braiding. So you can use as many as you want depending on how thick you want your braids to get. So I just used 4 about like this length, I mean this thickness. Actually, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of hair out of that one because I think it was too thick for that one. So probably about this thickness. I did make sure I moisturized my hair. I forgot what I put, but everything that I put is gonna be down below because I don't have it with me right now. But I definitely moisturized my hair last night, and it's very soft. I deep conditioned it and moisturized it, so when it's in the braids, it's still moisturized. I'm gonna take out my baby hairs. Take out as much baby hairs as you want. I don't like too much out because it just starts looking crazy. Some people braid underhand, some people braid overhand, but I just noticed with the feet in, it's easier to braid overhand. So I'm just gonna start my braid. And then when I get to this section back here, I'm gonna take my first. Grab it with my finger if you can see it. Then take those 2 sections right here and braid. Okay, then when I get to this side again, grab another piece. Boom. And then it's the last piece. Now to keep everything down with the braiding here, I just add some gel, comb it out a little bit. So then when my hands get tired, I come to the front, and I still go slow on this part because I'm not like a fast braider on my own hair, especially when it's like an overhand braid. So I just take my time. Okay, so I finished the other side. That's how it's looking. It's not too bad. Like, the parting obviously could be better if I had somebody to do it for me, or if I just had a better view, but I'm not mad at it. Okay, I had to stop what I was doing because I had a little nail appointment. Finally got these bad boys done. But let me take off this scarf. Alright, so this is what the finished look was like on the top with everything braided. Okay, and then now I'm going to curl my ends. So I just picked these up from Sally's. I did have these ones at first, but they weren't the ones that bend and curl on their own. They only like do like a circle shape, so the hair wasn't staying. So I had to go back to the store real quick and get these. So hopefully these ones work. I couldn't find any perm rods anywhere. That's what everybody uses. Alright, so I'm gonna let these sit in the rollers for a little bit, but while I'm letting it sit, I'm going to not spray. Ooh, that's hot. So while I'm letting this sit, I'm just gonna put some setting mousse on. I just got this from Target. It's Aunt Jackie's, what is it called? Setting Mousse Frizz Patrol. It's hydrating, sets curls, waves, coils, textured hairstyles, all in place. So I don't know how good this works, never tried it, but we're gonna try it right now. Okay, and then maybe back when everything is done and these are done curling and everything. Okay. All right, so the sun did go down. I just wanted to show you guys what the finished look looked like. I let these sit in for a little bit and then I diffused the bottom, put a diffuser, and make sure it dried all the way. So now it's all the way dry. They're cute. I like them. I like it. I like it. But yeah, I need to fix my baby hairs. But I mean, I'm about to go to sleep, so I'm not even about to do that. But you know, you get the picture, you get the picture. But this is the finished look. Your braids will be a little stiff when you first do it because that's just how the hair is, but once it settles in, it will be good. It will feel more natural. I like it. It's cute. It's something different, and obviously when I like actually do my baby hairs and my face, I will like it even better. But yeah, it's simple. It took me about, how long does it take me? It took me to actually do the braids, it took me 2.5 hours because I was kind of going slow. You know, this is my second time doing feed-in braids, and I just wanted to get the hang of it and make sure they were nice and you know, all even and smooth, and you know, you get what I'm talking about. But to part it, I did part it the night before, and I parted it, and it took me about an hour because I didn't have no help. Like I think it was like an hour and a half, so something like that. But yeah, so in total it was like 3 hours. Like, this is probably the quickest style I've ever did on my hair, and I really like it. So I am happy, and I will definitely probably be doing this style a few more times because it's easy, it's simple, it's cute, it doesn't take long. No complaints, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy. Yeah, if you guys want to try this, it's super easy. Like I said, feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section below. Also, like, subscribe, you know the deal. All right, bye guys.